In automotive retail, progress belongs to the operators, the innovators, and the leaders. Those embracing new intelligence to elevate how they work, decide, and perform.
Like nothing else that you see in the industry.
It's shaped in service lanes before sunrise, in sales conversations that build trust.
I don't think there is any other DMS company that has this level of security and compliance.
And in the intelligence that helps every team move faster and smarter.
The most disruptive, important company in automotive.
Tekion One is where this community comes together to learn, to connect, and to discover what's possible next.
Seamless, simple experience.
Because the future of retail is built by the people who are leaving the past behind and harnessing modern technology to do things better.